What up, guys? The Crypto Homie back at you with another video. So today we're going to be talking about the current price action in Bitcoin. Another company uses their cash reserves to buy Bitcoin and more. But make sure you stick to the end for an update on the ascending triangle that Bitcoin is in. Before we get into it, make sure you smash the subscribe button for more content. So let's dive right into it. So Pomp tweeted out another company converts their balance sheet capital to Bitcoin. He says gradually, then suddenly, on fire. So this company called Ninus Restaurants, if I'm saying that correctly, I'll just read the tweet. It says, a small company that started in London, Ontario, Canada. We operate 4 corporate locations and 3 franchise locations, about to open up in Ontario. We just converted our entire cash reserves that we originally used as savings into Bitcoin. And then they have a long thread, which I think is worth reading it, like if you have time for that. So guys, another company, just like MicroStrategy Incorporated, took their cash reserves and bought Bitcoin. So there's a trend happening. Let's see. I expect to see this slowly but surely happening again and again. More companies are going to be taking their cash reserves and buying Bitcoin. Up next, the latest news from Plan B. He posted this tweet about Bitcoin. This nice chart. He has some very good charts that it makes you stay level-headed and not let the emotions take over, and you look at the long-term perspective. So I'm going to read it, and then we're going to expand the chart. It says Bitcoin is nicely moving away from the 200 weekly moving average. The 200 weekly moving average is currently 6,400, is increasing 200 per month, and has never decreased. Best of all, Bitcoin monthly close has never been below 200 weekly the weekly moving average. So let's zoom in. This is the entire history of Bitcoin. Well, from 2013, so not the entire, but almost. Look, and this black line is the 200 weekly moving average, and we seem to touch it. We almost touched it back in March. We did touch it back in here, but we don't go below it. So, if you're worried about this little dip like we're having today, I mean, we're still way above this. And at the end, we're going to show the ascending triangle, and things will make more sense there. But this is such bullish news, guys. Just stay level-headed and have a long-term perspective. It seems like we're approaching the 20K top here, so it might not even be that long-term. Another chart from Plan B, and you guys can find him on Twitter at 100 trillion USD. He says Bitcoin looking strong. The RSI is 64, bull market confirmed. So let's open this up. Let's make it a little bit bigger. So this is the RSI. So I guess he's looking back with from 2011 to 2020. He's looking at the long term of the RSI. I mean, and look at it. It looks like it could easily be going up again. I mean, we've been going down, up, but once we get up here, I would expect that's probably when we'll be hitting like all-time high territories. That's another bullish sign. And just a friendly reminder to anybody that's new to Bitcoin, Tyler Winklevoss tweeted this out. He says, attention Bitcoin newcomers, you don't have to buy a full Bitcoin. You can buy any fraction of a Bitcoin that you want, even as little as 0.00000001, called a Satoshi, is possible. This is what Bitcoiners mean when they say they're stacking Satoshis or stacking sats. So if you're new to crypto, hey, you just found out today that you literally can buy 1 Satoshi. And hey, say you have friends that want to get into crypto, they're like, oh, I don't have like $1 million. Well, hey, 1 Satoshi right there. You don't need much money to buy a couple Satoshis. And all right, guys, we're going to dive into the ascending triangle that Bitcoin is in. Alrighty, so you look at that. Let's zoom in just a little bit more. So as I'm sure you know, the Bitcoin price is down. And we did break above the ascending triangle. We closed above it. Then the next day, we broke down. We closed right above it for support, and then we broke through. We broke through. The wick came down. Where did the wick come down to? Look, came right down and made it to where support is on this triangle and bounced back up. So as of right now, we're holding this trend line as support, which is good. That's what we want to see. If we break this trend line, then I will be concerned, because then we could see some more downward action. But as of right now, we need to see Bitcoin in the next day or 2 or 3 move above this line right here of this ascending triangle and hold it as support. So let's see if we can do that. And it's looking like a great time to buy right now, in my personal opinion. Obviously not financial advice, but there's a lot of stuff that's on sale. I mean, like look at Link. Link's down at $16. I mean, it was down at $15. That's a great buy, guys. Those are great entry points. I know there was a lot of hype with OXT. Look, it's hanging down at 52 cents compared to $1. It's almost 50% off. That's, it's like Black Friday. It's a good deal. But not financial advice. You even have something as like XRP, it's down to 29 cents. I mean, it's consolidated in here, so it seems like that would be a great buy as well. I mean, Ethereum was up at like the 450 area, 440 area. Now it's back down at 412. So hey, there's not much resistance from like 400 to $800 for Ethereum. So this thing could have a nice move. And let's talk about Band. I mean, there was so much hype with Band with the Pro Coinbase launch that it peaked up to $15. But look, it jumped down to $11.50. And at the time of the recording, it's at $12.74. This is a great buy right now if you're into that. See what else is going on. I mean, XLM at about 10.5 cents. It's down from the 12 cents jump. You got EOS, 343. It's down from the 390. Guys, I can go on and on and on. So whatever your dollar cost averaging in or whatever you're investing in, today's a good day to buy some more if you believe in the project. Like whatever it is, you have to make that choice like for yourself. But like try not to panic sell because you see things are going down like 5%. So just hang in there. It most likely will work out, but obviously not financial advice. Alrighty, guys, I'd like to thank you for watching the video. Smash the like button if you liked it and subscribe for more content. The Crypto Homie is signing out.